check the area, check the environment.
Safe to approach.
Uy, kuya,
Okay.
Are you okay?
Response. Okay, no response.
response.
Okay.
Hey, are you okay, kuya?
Okay.
Page stairs.
So far so good. Okay.
Brad, tabang diha, kung na 911. Tapos,
Then.
then check the body.
Okay. No fracture and bleeding.
No fracture and
Bleeding.
no bleeding.
Okay. Check the airway for any
Check
blockage.
the airway, no blockage.
Then four, tilt the head.
Tilt the head.
Then
And then check the breathing.
yes. Before that, check the
Check the pulse. No pulse.
Okay.
Check the breathing. No breathing.
So next.
I will apply now the 30 compression.
Okay. Carry on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Two breath of life.
Okay.
Check the pulse.
Okay.
Still no pulse. Check the breathing. Still no breathing. Another set of 30 compression.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
Okay.
Check the pulse again. There's a pulse.
Two
Two breath of life. Sorry. Check the pulse. There's a pulse.
Okay.
Check the breath. There's a breath. Bad breath.
Bad breath. Okay.
Then go for
Place
place patient to recovery mode.
into the recovery.
Recovery
Parang
position.
IT nga. Computer. IT siya. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, next.
Thank you.